Let's take a look at this molecule and we try to name it. First of all, let's generate the chemical formula for this species. 1 degree of unsaturation coming from the ring itself, and there are 2, 4, 6, 7 carbon inside this cycloheptane ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 7, you have C14, H28, right? Because 1 degree of unsaturation from here. So the parent chain here is a cycloheptane because it has got the most number of carbon with 7. So it should end off with cycloheptane. Now let's analyze the substituents here. We have a methyl group, ethyl group, and what do we call this? Here it is the first time seeing what we call a secondary branching. We know that all these are primary branch because it emerged out from the longest chain or the parent chain just one time, and there's no more further branching inside there. But for this case, you have a first branch and another branch coming up from here. So which way do we go? Like the same case, we look out for the longest part, 1, 2, 3, right? So this is my primary branch. So that part, which is a methyl group, becomes your secondary branched. This carbon here is number 1 of the first branch, and this number 2, and this number 3. So this whole fragment will be called 1-methyl propyl. This means we have a methyl group attached to the first carbon of a propyl group in the primary branch. Ethyl and methyl. So what about the numbering on the parent chain in the cycloheptane? Should we start from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or even the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? You have to do trial and error, and if you start with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I will get a 1, 2, and 6. If I start from here, I get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. If I start from this side and go that way, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get 1, 5, 7. So obviously this is wrong, right? We should have a 1, 2, and then followed by the simplest, which is 4. Right? Take note, we didn't go this way up because if I start from here and 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll get 1, 3, 4. So 1v1, right, is a draw. Then we go on to the next number, 2, 2, 3. So 3 is higher than 2. We reject this. Between these two, we take the next lowest number, which is 4. So again, how do we get this 1, 2, 4? We follow 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first carbon has a methyl group. We write here. Second carbon has an ethyl group. And the fourth carbon has a 1-methyl propyl. And we have to put parentheses here because if not, it's very confusing to see two numbers separated by a hyphen. So bracket 1 hyphen methyl propyl. Okay? So this first number here indicates where on the primary branch it is in. Okay? So we put them together alongside your main parent chain cycloheptane. Here we go. Compare M against E against M. So 2 ethyl, 1 methyl, 4 1 methyl propyl. Cycloheptane. So this is the full name for the molecule over here. I hope you can revise and practice and try to understand why the numbering are as such and the order of the different substituents.